personally tried the patch about 30 years ago, and I found it didn't work for me. For one, it's transferring the addiction. It's not really getting rid of the addiction, in my opinion. The patch has a 20% success rate overall, so not very high success rate. So 1 in 5 might have success. The expense is the same as if you were going to go for laser therapy, but the Omega Laser Smoking Cessation program is very effective. Most people are quitting with just the one treatment. With the patch, I've heard from thousands of people over the years, and people that have tried the patch, the main thing is they're allergic to the resin. So as soon as they put it on, they're getting a red mark on their skin and they're itching, and they can't wear it just because they're allergic to the drugs that are in the patch. So this is drug-free therapy, and that's just how I feel. I think it's better to go drug-free if there's an alternative. And with the Omega Laser program, most people are quitting with just the one treatment, and it's extremely effective. You just have to want to quit smoking, but you need help to get through the withdrawal, and that's where the laser is going to help you.